Hey everyone, just want to give you guys JaneApp user quick update. So first of all, in the last couple of days, we've been having some scaling issue with Google Cloud servers. Some of you might have noticed that there are a bunch of patients that haven't been coming through. So there was kind of like for some reason Google Cloud wasn't scaling properly. So that issue has been fixed, and we've actually are doing a force update for every single account that we have. But on top of that, we do have some more updates. So if you remember, my last update was about patient notes, that we're basically now sending the patient notes as well. Now, on top of that, we're sending all this, everything from here, from send notification till the bottom of this list are new custom fields that you will going to get. So this is, we got some feedbacks that some of you wanted to have all of these details about like emailing, SMS notification, and those kind of things. So pretty much we're sending back every single thing that we're getting from Jane. Some of you also had question about referral and saying that, hey, we are having the referral field inside the patient, but why is it not showing up? The reason is there's two type of referrals that are coming from Jane. One of them is if a professional actually referred the patient, or if it's coming from a source like Facebook, Google, and those kind of things. So we added these extra referring professional details as well, along with a bunch of other things like no-show account, available credit if they are owing any amount or if they are owing any claims, and also if you're doing any loyalty, we're showing the loyalty balance in here. So this will help you a lot with setting up your D&Ds and those kind of things, the notification and the rest if you want to do any some sort of follow-ups as well. But yeah, let me know if you have any issues, and yeah, have a good week. Thanks. Bye.